Notice an FCH file in your AutoCAD project directory. This is an audit report generated during a drawing file integrity check. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain what these AutoCAD audit report files contain and how to read them. A critical part of my workflow, having a universal file viewer installed, acts as a quick test for FCH file damage. My exact recommendation is linked below. FCH files are audit report files generated by AutoCAD when running the audit command on a drawing file. They contain a detailed log of errors found during the integrity check of a DWG file, including corrupted objects, invalid entity references, and automatic repair actions performed by the audit process. AutoCAD FCH audit report files use a plain text format with sequential entries, listing each checked object by handle number along with error descriptions, repair actions taken, and summary statistics. The report includes object type identifiers, error, severity, classifications, and before-after values for corrected properties. The direct link for opening FCH files is established with Autodesk AutoCAD from Autodesk, Inc. The file is only recognizable by its name and size in Windows Explorer. Windows supports basic document visibility, though deeper editing requires proper tools. We are testing every application for file recognition. Right-click your FCH file and choose Open With. Test Autodesk AutoCAD first. If it fails, select another application. The right reader is in there somewhere. If your FCH file isn't cooperating, don't worry. The problem is usually not complex. It is almost certainly one of 3 easily fixable errors. I've created a simple list showing the 3 main culprits and their verification steps. First, writing the audit report. Open the FCH file in any text editor such as Notepad++ or Visual Studio Code. The plain text report lists all issues found during the AutoCAD audit organized by object handle. Review error descriptions to understand what problems existed in the DWG file and what repairs were applied automatically. Next, understanding error entries. Each entry in the FCH file identifies a specific drawing object, its type, and the error detected. Common entries include invalid entity references, orphaned objects, and corrupted property values. The report shows whether each error was fixed automatically or requires manual attention in the drawing file. Finally, preventing drawing corruption. Use the audit command regularly in AutoCAD by typing audit at the command line and selecting yes to fix errors. Review the generated FCH report to monitor drawing health. Implement regular purge commands and save incrementally to reduce the likelihood of drawing file corruption requiring audit repairs. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. Our troubleshooting is complete. The failure of the previous steps suggests a need for superior format intelligence. FileMagick is my recommendation for professional-grade access. FileMagick.com has the download. If you have any further questions about this file type, drop them below. Don't forget to subscribe before you go.